Hi, I'm Lorelei, registered dietitian nutritionist. Welcome to my kitchen / laboratory. Welcome to my kitchen laboratory, where on a regular basis we make culinary discoveries and nutritional breakthroughs. We also have a passion for new foods. Joe-gor, what have you brought me today?
Yes, mistress. I think she's doing a really good job, so I wanted to give her a hand.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. It was on sale, though, and I know how you like a bargain.
I do. Interesting. We will have to inspect it closer.
I think I have something in my eye.
Oh! It's another! It's brother. They come in threes. You brought me 3.
Yeah. They have humps.
They do.
I feel a certain kinship for them. Are we going to cut them open,
They
mistress?
have little bumps where it looks as though something used to be.
Humps. Humps.
We need to use all of our senses, Joe-gor, to discover what is here.
Joe-gor is so hungry.
We can't eat yet! We need to discover everything about this first. Today we're learning about new foods. And you have no idea what you brought me? Was it labeled at the store or anything like that?
I read, whatever.
All right, it is clearly longer than it is
That
wide.
long and that wide.
Color is... how would you describe this color, Joe-gor?
Bruised.
This one is more green. I don't know if these are stages of ripeness.
How would you say in scientific terms what color it is? Bruised and limeish.
That's more poetic than scientific.
Oh, well, I do have that soul.
Scientifically speaking, we're looking at a green and a reddish, purplish?
What do they taste like, mistress?
Almost an eggplant color. What do they say, Joe-gor?
Eat me, I'm ready.
I don't hear that.
But I would like to taste them, mistress.
Do you smell anything?
What experiments are we going to do them? I don't.
Perhaps they are not ripe. Perhaps we should wait a week or so.
Maybe they just need to be brushed and rolled out until they're ripe.
You're smushing it.
But enough of the science. Let's get to the nutrition. How do we eat them?
Let's see if we can
Then
find out
follow
what
the
this might be.
montage where the mad nutritionist racked her brains, cooked the books, and looked for ways to get the indecipherable fruits deciphered.
I can't find it in any of my reference materials!
Science.
Pear-ish in shape.
Notes.
Mango-ish
Don't know what to make
in
of that.
color. Nothing-ish in scent.
My Joe-gor's so bored.
Joe-gor.
When are we doing lab things with lightning?
Go ahead and taste it.
Tastes like not fun.
Skin inedible. What else can we learn about this just from external observation? Are you measuring your hump?
I think I'm growing.
You should probably get that checked out. I'm not a doctor, remember.
You're a mad nutritionist.
A dietitian with a master's and a calculator that does me no good in this particular instance. Perhaps the time has come for the knife.
Yes. Oh.
Which one shall we choose? We have a variety of colors.
Do the bruised one.
The bruised one, I think it perhaps is slightly more ripe. It's a little softer.
Dissect it. Cut off its head.
We shall peel back the layers. I'm going to cut off one end first.
It's bloody! It's bloody!
Aha! Flesh. Magenta! As I open this up, it is bringing back memories I recollect of some information that I acquired through Google.
You Googled it?
I believe that it is what is known as a cactus pear,
Okay.
sometimes known as a prickly pear, sometimes known as a tuna.
A tuna? This is tuna of the plant.
From a cactus, but it's like a pear and it is pink.
Now, why do they call it tuna?
I Google that.
Oh.
All right, so you don't want to taste this. I'm gonna cut off the ends. It's soft. It is ripe. I was afraid it was not going to be ripe. Let's score around. See the blood coming out?
You're scaring me, mistress. She's a mad dietitian.
Now, we'll peel back the
Ow.
layers.
Tell us your secrets, prickly pear, or we'll skin you alive.
There are little bits in there. I thought you were going to grab that with your hand, but okay. How does it taste like? Joe-gor has rejected it.
It doesn't taste bad. There's a lot of seeds. Almost like watermelon seeds kind of in there.
I've read that these seeds are edible, but they are very hard.
They're pretty hard.
It does taste kind of like watermelon. But yeah, all of these seeds are going to make it difficult to eat.
Good luck with that, mistress.
I thought they were supposed to be like you could just swallow them.
I'll leave that experiment to you.
I don't like those seeds. It's a little mild. I don't know if it's just not ripe or if it's not a good one. It's always good to try new things.
Yes, mistress.
Those seeds are getting in the way. Seeds. Distracting. Color. Beautiful. If I understand correctly, this color is similar to the coloring that you find in beets, which has antioxidant properties. So there's our nutritional value to the prickly pear / cactus pear / tuna. If you know any more about this than I do, please leave your details in the comments below and let me know if you have any other questions. Please subscribe to my channel for more exploration on new foods, as well as nutritional tips, tricks, and healthy home cooking in the kitchen. Thank you, and as always.
But you made your creation neat already.
We did. That's not what we're doing today.
Oh, okay. Let's strangle them and then eat them. Maybe our knives need sharpening. That's probably my job.
Get on that, Joe-gor.